Hi everyone, I'm Cookie and I'm going to be testing out my new eyeshadow palette from AliExpress today. This is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Mini Obsessions palette. I hope that it looks good on me, so let's get started. I'm starting by filling in my eyebrows using the Davis eyebrow pencil in brown. I am following the natural shape of my brow. I have been practicing and I hope that it looks good. When I'm done filling it in, I am going to grab my toothbrush and just brush through the brows, making sure everything is blended and nothing is too harsh. I'm gonna get started on the next eyebrow, repeating the very same steps. When you do your eyebrows, you should always remember that your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so they're not supposed to look alike. For example, mine, one eyebrow has an arch on one side and the other one is just straight. Next, I am just going to grab one of my flat brushes and concealer. The one that I am using is a cream concealer by MAC. I don't use liquid concealers or foundations because I think they're just too messy for me. I have more control when I use a cream concealer. So I'm just going to go around the eyebrows, making sure that it's looking all neat, cleaning up any space and also putting some around the area just to highlight. Now I'm just grabbing another brush and I'm going to use it to blend the concealer into the rest of my face. I am grabbing the same concealer and brush and I'm just going to put that concealer all over my eyelid. This is going to help the eyeshadow to stick better and to be more vibrant on my face because it's providing an even base for application. I am grabbing one of my other palettes. This is the Urban Decay Naked on the Run and I'm just gonna use that brown to use as a base and basically to help blend every other color that I'm going to use together. I'm putting that on the outer V of my eye. I'm using a different palette because this one has a nice neutral shade. The red one that I'm planning on reviewing today has only red and associated colors, so I cannot use it as a neutral base to just blend everything together. So now here's a beautiful palette that we will be reviewing. You can see it's very pretty. I'm gonna show you guys swatches of the colors later. I'm just grabbing a rosy shade and I'm putting that all over my eyelid, stretching it also towards the top. Don't forget that's also part of the eye, the part above the eyelid. So I'm putting that everywhere except where I have put the brown, blending it into the eyelid nicely and blend into just a bit of the brown on the edge. I'm going to do the same step on the other eye. I'm actually really impressed because the pigment is showing up on my eye and it's not ashy. Guys, every other palette that I've ever tried on my face is usually very ashy. The color leaves a bit of whitish residue on my eyes, and it's always just looking like it's not a good palette for me. So I'm happy that this one, you can see the pink shade is appearing very nicely. It's not making my eye look dry or ashy kama imeparara. So now I'm just gonna take this red shade on and I'm gonna blend it into the crease. You can see that I'm already quite impressed with the color that showed up on the brush, and even putting it into my crease, I am quite amazed, like wow, it's popping, it's positively popping on my eyelids. Now I'm just deciding which shimmery shade I'm going to use. I chose the one on the top corner. I am going to put that only on my eyelid, as you can see. I did not like how the shimmer was appearing using the brush, so you'll see just in a bit I decided to switch and use my finger. I've seen some YouTube videos and they say that it's because the pigment will attach to the brush, but when you use your finger it's all going on your eyelid, none is remaining on the brush. When I use my finger, you can see it will appear way more vibrant, and I am just obsessed with this palette, you guys. Obsessed. It was so cheap. I can't believe that the quality of the colors is this good comparing to how much I actually paid for it. You guys have to try it. Now I'm using the same shade that I used on my eyelid, on the crease. I'm just gonna put that on my bottom lid. I am grabbing my eyeliner, and this is a hard part for me, guys. I rarely ever use eyeliner like this, but I am going to attempt to do a wing. Is it a wing liner or a cut? I am not sure, but I'm gonna attempt to do it, you guys. I'll fail, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect, right? Now I'm just trying to replicate that eyeliner look on my other eye. It is very hard for me, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's okay. Next time I'll just keep practicing and practicing until I get it right. I am going to be using these two mascaras, which are also, believe it or not, from AliExpress, just to make my eyelashes pop. So my phone stopped recording, but I still got some shots of the final look. I hope that you guys like it. I hope you guys like the palette, like my video. Give me any other suggestions of palettes or anything else from AliExpress you'd like me to review. Here are the swatches. You can see they're vibrant, pigmented, they're not ashy. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like and I'll see you next time.